In the world of luxury, time doesn't just pass, it's celebrated. Today, we unveil the top 3 watches where time is a legacy. The first masterpiece on our list is the Patek Philippe Calatrava. This watch is a testament to elegance and craftsmanship. Born from the hands of Swiss watchmakers, every detail of the Calatrava exemplifies precision and sophistication. With its clean lines and understated beauty, this timepiece is a favorite among business magnates and royals. Embodying a price tag of around $30,000, the Calatrava is not merely a watch, but a statement piece that whispers of power and refinement. Next, we turn our attention to the Rolex Day-Date, also known as the President's Watch. This watch, priced around $35,000, has graced the wrists of US presidents and global leaders, becoming a symbol of authority and influence. Its seamless blend of functionality and luxury sets it apart. The Rolex Day-Date doesn't just mark the passage of time, it signifies momentous decisions and world-changing events. Our final highlight is the Vacheron Constantin Patrimony. This watch, priced at about $20,000, is cherished by elite collectors and art connoisseurs. It's a blend of minimalist design and complex craftsmanship, a paradox that makes it truly unique. The Patrimony is more than just a timepiece, it's a work of art, a testament to the timeless beauty of simplicity. These top 3 watches, each with their unique features and illustrious associations, are more than just instruments of time. They are symbols of a legacy that transcends time. They don't merely tell you the hour, they tell a story of elegance, power, and artistry. They are not just worn, they are celebrated. Because in the world of luxury, time doesn't just pass. It's a legacy, a heritage that is handed down from generation to generation. So remember, when you glance down at a Patek Philippe Calatrava, a Rolex Day-Date, or a Vacheron Constantin Patrimony, you're not just checking the time, you're beholding a legacy. You're part of a tradition that values not just the ticking of the seconds, but the moments that make up our lives. Because in the world of these watches, time is always in style.